How to get rid of yellow battery on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow you to manage your iPhone's features, from connectivity and display to app permissions and battery usage. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the battery option. This section provides detailed information about your battery usage and health, including your current battery level and a breakdown of app usage. Here, scroll down to find the low power mode option. Simply tap the toggle switch next to low power mode to turn it off. If you notice your iPhone's battery icon no longer showing this yellow, it will resume its normal performance. Following these steps, you can easily get rid of yellow battery on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.